Hi, I'm Solomon from eSpares, the channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to test the heating element on a Beko washing machine and also how to replace it if it's faulty. If you find that the water inside your washing machine is not heating up, then this is a sign of a faulty heating element. Before starting, it's helpful to understand what multimeters actually are. Multimeters are handy tools that can be used to measure the electrical resistance in a circuit. In simple terms, this means they can be used to test electrical parts and components to determine whether or not they're working properly. If you don't own a multimeter, you can buy one from our website through a link in the description below. For this repair, you're going to need a 10mm socket set, a Torx T20 screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. The first thing to do is remove the Torx T20 screws from the rear back panel and then place the panel safely to one side. Remove the two live terminals from the back of the element, located on the left and right side of the element. You may need to use pliers if they are tight. The earth wire remains in place. Set your multimeter to the buzzer setting, also known as the continuity setting. Place the two prongs on the terminals, one prong on each terminal. If the element is working fine, you'll hear a beeping and you'll see a reading on the multimeter. If you don't hear any beeping noise and you don't have any new reading on the multimeter, then this means that the heating element is faulty and needs to be replaced. If you do need to replace the element, proceed by removing the remaining earth wire electrical connection from off the element tag. The earth wire connection will have a small tab that you need to push down with your nail or a flat end screwdriver. Remove the electrical connection from the NTC, which is located inside the heating element. Lift up the small retaining tab and remove the connection block from the NTC. Unscrew the centre nut using your 10mm socket set. You don't remove this nut completely, simply unscrew to the end of the thread. Now give a forceful hit of this nut with the base of your socket or your screwdriver to create a loosening of the element around the inner seal, which will then allow you to remove the element. The NTC will come out as part of the element. Before you purchase a new heating element, you're going to need to know the model number of your washing machine. This is to ensure you choose the correct part for your exact make and model of washing machine. If you don't know your model number or where to find it, then don't worry. Check out our video on how to find the model number on a washing machine here. A top tip, before fitting your new heating element, we suggest that you apply some washing up liquid around the black inner seal of the base of the element. This will help ease the element into position more easily. Place the element at the entrance of the element housing and push it to slide it fully inside until it reaches the end of the housing. Screw the nut into position and then tighten it using the 10mm socket set. Refit the electrical connection to the NTC, followed by the 3 electrical connections. And now it's time to refit the rear panel and secure it in place with the screws. And there you have it, how to test and replace the heating element on a Beko washing machine. While you're here, why not check out our video on washing machine energy saving tips here down below, so you can use your washing machine more efficiently. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the eSpares channel and like the video if it has helped you. Thanks for watching.